Hi guys, back with me again at the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a colorful backgrounds for your video without using light equipment. So you can just use CapCut to make a colorful background. So as you can see now, this video is not the background of this video is not colorful, but I'm going to make it so. So first, copy the video. Then after that, click on the first video and set it as overlay. Okay, so for the overlay video, go to CapCut and click on remove background. Okay, wait until the background is fully removed. Okay, so the background of the overlay has been removed. Then after that, you need to go back and then add another overlay and add this dots image png image that you can get from the internet. I got this actually from Canva. So you need to make sure that the dots here is not is on png or has a transparent background, and then you can adjust the length, then fit the size. Okay, I'm going to put it at the bottom of the person. Then go to layer and select one. Okay, after that you can just adjust the positions like this, and you'll have that colorful background for your video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.